Hi there, and welcome to Touring Texas for Birds and Flowers E4. This video displays hummingbirds and bluebonnets. The hummingbirds who posed for today's video are the black-chinned hummingbirds. The male swoops in twice for brief showing of his black throat. Here is the state flower of Texas. I am introducing the Texas Bluebonnet. When you see these in bloom, spring is officially here. This is the first year that I have ever seen another color than blue. Google says this is a white variation, and there are other colors too.